Hi there, this is Robert Greenstreet at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to connect your networksolutions.com custom domain to your KW website powered by Placester. First, we're going to get logged into our networksolutions.com account, and here under My Products and Services, we're going to go to My Domain Names. And then if we scroll down here, this is the domain that we want to work on, and it tells us that it's currently web forwarded to a different domain. So we want to make sure that we turn that off before we make any more changes. So I'm going to click Edit right here, and I'm going to turn off web forwarding. Web forwarding is off, is what I'm going to select, and then continue. There we go. So now it's going to the under construction page, which is fine for the time being. So we'll tell it Apply Changes. There we go. So now we're going to return to domain details. Now that we're back on the manageandreaharris.com page, we're going to go on the right under Edit Advanced DNS Records. Scroll down, and apparently we need to click past this ad. And once we're on the DNS page, we can ignore the web forwarding section up here because we just turned that off. Instead, we need to update our A records. So we're going to edit A records. And we're going to delete this www one, and we're going to change the @A record to be the Placester IP address, which is this 184.169.141.142. You can leave the time to live, the TTL, alone, and we're also deleting the www A record, and we're changing the @A record to this 184.169.141.142. If you need some time to type that out, feel free to pause the video. We're going to move down and continue. It lets us know that changes may take up to 24 hours to update throughout the internet. That's fine. And we're going to save changes. There we go. We're going to return to Advanced DNS Summary. And we're going to scroll down a little further, and we're going to come down to the Host Aliases CNAME Records section. And we're going to do Edit CNAME Records. And then in here for alias, we're going to put in www. That's the A record that we just deleted. Refers to host name. We're going to leave this alone and instead switch it over to other host. We're going to select the radio button for other host, and we're going to put in domains.myrealestateplatform.com. So that's domains plural with an S .myrealestateplatform singular.com. domains.myrealestateplatform.com, and then we'll continue. Then it'll let us know again that changes may take up to 24 hours to update throughout the internet. We'll save changes and then return to Advanced DNS Summary. That should be pretty much everything that we need to do within Network Solutions. Now we're going to switch back over to our MyKW homepage. Make sure that you're logged in to mykw.kw.com. And up in the top black menu, we'll hover over Technology and then click on KW Websites. And then on this page, we're going to click on our red Go to My Website button. This is assuming that your site is already active. And then once we're in our site settings, we're going to go to Edit Site over on the left. And then we'll scroll down to the Custom Domain section. And in here, it'll show you the default domain that's been assigned by Placester or that you've changed here using Edit. And we're going to put in www. and then your customdomain.com. And then we'll do Add Domain. And that moves it up here to the top. And I do want to make sure to mention that you do have to include the www. Most places across the internet, you don't have to include that, but in this one spot, you do. You have to have the www. Then we'll save. And once that's saved, if we've done everything correctly and we've waited long enough for the system to update itself, when we click on View Live Site, it should show us the live site. And there we are, we're on Andrea's site. So this is how you can connect your Network Solutions custom domain to your KW website powered by Placester using DNS records to map the domain to the website so that it's good for search engines. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.